Let's explore ranges in character classes for efficient pattern matching. We'll cover how to use ranges like A to Z 0 to 9, and A to Z to simplify your regular expressions. Character classes match any single character from a defined set. The syntax for character classes involves enclosing the set of characters within square brackets. For example, square bracket characters closes square bracket. Let's look at some basic examples of character classes. First, the pattern inside square brackets ABC, close square brackets matches any single character, A, B, or C. Second, the pattern inside square brackets 1, 3, 5, close square brackets matches any single digit 1, 3, or 5. Ranges provide a shortcut for consecutive characters using the hyphen operator. Instead of writing out every character individually, we can specify a range. For example, inside square brackets, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, close square brackets can be simplified to inside square brackets a hyphen Z close square brackets. Here are some common range examples. The pattern inside square brackets a hyphen Z close square brackets matches any lowercase letter from A to Z. The pattern inside square brackets A hyphen Z close square brackets matches any uppercase letter from A to Z. And the pattern inside square brackets 0-9 close square brackets matches any digit from 0 to 9. Multiple ranges can be combined within a single character class. For example, the pattern inside square brackets a hyphen Z, close square brackets matches any uppercase or lowercase letter. It essentially matches all letters from A to Z and A to Z. Also, inside square brackets A hyphen Z, a hyphen Z 0-9, close square brackets. This matches any alphanumeric character which includes all letters, uppercase and lowercase, and digits 0 to 9. Ranges can also be customized for specific use cases. For example, the pattern inside square brackets a hyphen F close square brackets matches letters A through F, often used for hexadecimal digits. The pattern inside square brackets 1-5 close square brackets matches digits 1 through 5, which can be useful in rating systems. Also, the pattern inside square brackets A-F, 0-9, close square brackets. This matches uppercase letters A through F and digits, as seen in hexadecimal color codes. Let's summarize the key benefits and best practices for using ranges. Benefits include concise and readable patterns, efficient pattern matching, and flexible character selection. Best practices includes use ranges for consecutive characters, combine ranges for complex patterns, and keep patterns simple and clear. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.